Four Mirage 2005F multirole fighter jets, belonging to the French Air and Space Force, arrived at Ämari Air Base on 13 March. The jets will join the NATO's Baltic air policing mission, and they will be based at the Estonian base until 1 August. Because of the Russian invasion against Ukraine, the French fighter jet's arrival in Estonia was pushed forward by 15 days. Estonia, Latvia and Lithuania do not have an airborne air defense capability of their own. Therefore, the protection is provided by NATO's Baltic air policing mission, whereby more powerful allies deploy their jets to Baltic states in intervals usually lasting half a year. Since the mission's establishment in 2004, Belgium, Denmark, the UK, Norway, the Netherlands, Germany, the US, Poland, Turkey, Spain, France, Romania, Portugal, the Czech Republic, Canada, Italy and Hungary have deployed their aircraft to either Estonia's Ämari or Lithuania's Šiauliai air bases. The French jets will replace 4 Belgian Air Force F-16AM Fighting Falcons that have been deployed to Ämari since early December last year. Because of the Russian aggression against Ukraine, both the US and the UK have also deployed additional aircraft to Ämari.